The world of cryptocurrency, or in other words, the internet money. With all the current chaos around the world, crypto is getting more popular every day. All signs point that it will be the medium of exchange for the future. But as of March 2022, there are over 18,000 cryptocurrencies in existence. So if you're starting your road to financial independence and currently have not a lot of money to experiment with, what would be a good coin to start with? Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency created in December 6, 2013 by software engineers Billy Marquez and Jackson Palmer. The system was created as a joke to make fun of crazy speculation that cryptocurrency was going to take over the world at the time. The coin became an instant hit and became the 7th largest electronic currency in the world. Dogecoin algorithm makes the transaction process more convenient than Bitcoin. Bitcoin takes around 10 minutes to confirm, while Doge only takes 1. Celebrity endorsement has been one of the biggest boosts for the Dogecoin value. On April 15, 2021, the coin rose more than 100% after Elon Musk tweeted a picture of Joan Miro's classic dog barking at the moon painting, caption, Doge barking at the moon. Doge reached another all-time high of 74 cents on July 2021 from 0.005 cents thanks to the media and the growing celebrity support. Dogecoin is now accepted in some of the major retailers like Tesla, SpaceX, Dallas Mavericks, and Newegg. Dogecoin market value has reached $8 billion. As of April 2022, Dogecoin stands between 14 to 15 cents. With $150, you can get 1,000 coins. Its unlimited supply has kept the coin affordable. The coin could be a good bet for investors if it had value. Market experts say the coin is more of a speculation bet and should not be treated as a major investment. After studying the trend in the last 2 years, the current market conditions, and the slow but steady increase in popularity, it is estimated that it could reach a value of 35 cents by the end of 2022, which means anything you invest today could double by the end of the year. By the end of 2022, what other celebrities and major retailers will join the support? These are some of the major contributing factors for its price value. Only time will tell how popular the coin will get, but considering how affordable it is, investing a few $100s and just sitting back and wait, in my opinion, is a good bet.